Hello, people, world. It's a good evening, Philippine time. Okay, um, friends, and though you are not my friend, this is my suggestion, especially for those aged people, elderly. Yeah, it's better to live alone than to live with many, which fake. Yeah, for me, I don't make surrounded with fake people. That is toxic. There is no peace in living with them. So this is my experience now. I live alone. I do everything alone, and of course, anyway, though I we are alone, we are two with God. Yeah, that's really good.